Tornado. We live right on the other side of the street.
As I said, some videos as well that gave us a different perspective. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of those. It really is just breathtaking to watch some of these videos. And in this first one I want to show you, you can hear someone saying, "Mom, we're right here." Well, you can bet any mom would be clinging to her kids watching this. Imagine seeing that just kind of churn toward your home. Pretty neat stuff. Let's take a look at another video. This one also shot in Oldsmar. It gives us another perspective, a different angle of that water spout. What I like about this video is when you watch it, did you see that right there? You can actually see some lightning cutting from very close, maybe some of the nearby clouds right around that water spout. So that's not something you always see. I want to show you one last video. This last one comes to us from Jack Kelly, and this one shows that interesting curved spout again. The other interesting thing about this video that I noticed is, imagine how rough that water must be right near the bottom of the water spout, but when you look at the water in the foreground, well, the bay looks rather calm there. You see that? So just kind of interesting how Mother Nature works in mysterious ways, right? Well, we've posted some of these videos to our website as well. You can find them right here in this main story, baynews9.com. You'll find that right on our homepage. Water spout forms in Oldsmar. You see it right there. Click inside, and you can check them out for yourself. I'm live in the Web Center. Anna Manuel, Bay News 9.
And it definitely feels like we've had our share of waterspouts / tornadoes, small tornadoes in the Bay Area just in the last couple of weeks.
Oh, our share and then some, right? But you know what? As long as not a lot of damage and nobody's getting hurt, they're very interesting to look at.
Oh, definitely makes for great pictures and video, and a lot of Twitter feeds and Facebook feeds on fire over these things. Thank you, Ann. Now take a look at this other video. I want to show you. One of our viewers captured it. Looks like a monster here. Take a look at that. It's on the water, obviously a water spout. This is from Jeff Earls on Bayshore Boulevard in Oldsmar. Just a really clear picture here, like many of the ones we've seen tonight. Jeff is actually on the phone live with us at 10:06. Jeff, thank you so much for talking to us. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so you captured some great video there. Tell me about what you were doing at the time that you peek out and see this water spout so close.
Yeah, my wife was just getting home from work, and she saw it driving down the road, and so she came inside and told us all to go outside and look at it. So we went across the road, and it was pretty amazing. And one of the things that really stood out to us is how we could hear the water being sucked up. Like, you could really hear it, like almost like a waterfall. You could hear the water going up into the air. And it was, yeah, it was pretty amazing.
Did at any point you feel like, listen, I'm going to stop recording this and I'm just going to run inside. I am not staying out here with this water spout possibly approaching.
Well, I didn't, but my wife told me to come inside, so I did.
Good advice. Good advice, the wife always. Here's my question for you. How long did you see this water spout turning outside for? How long did it last before it just disappeared?
I think, I don't know. She saw it forming when she was driving, and then we were probably out there for about 10 minutes, and then I think it was another 5 minutes to 10 minutes, and it went back up into the sky. So I'd say, I don't know, 20-something minutes.
Hey, it's something to talk about. I'm going to be honest with you. I've never seen one so close in person. So thank you for sending that video.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, Jeff. Good night. Thanks. Well, of course, we have